Given a data frame of married couples and a separate data frame with each person's age, identify cradle robbers, people who are at least 20 years older than their spouse and whose spouse is under the age of 30. Here's the solution I came up with. Let's break it down. The first thing I do is convert ages from a data frame to a series of ages indexed by the name of each person. Then I call ages.loc square brackets couples.person1 to get the age of each person 1. I want to insert that as a column in the couples data frame called age1, so I do couples square brackets open quotes age1 equals ages.loc square brackets couples.person1 dot to numpy. Now, if we didn't use dot to numpy, which converts this series into a numpy array, Pandas would try to use index alignment, inserting values from the right-hand side into the left-hand side using matching index labels, which isn't what we want. So then I do essentially the same thing to get the age of each person too. And then I do some basic Boolean filtering to identify cases where person 1 is a cradle robber and cases where person 2 is a cradle robber. Lastly, I use pd.concat to concatenate those series together and identify Adam and Rachel as the cradle robbers.